What's up, gamers? We're a little demoralized after a horrible outing in the Furitaka. Although that's just probably what we would call a usual outing for us. So we switched to the New York. We said we wanted a big boy out here, a little American muscle. We're going to see if we can do a little bit better here. Just based off those initials, we just missed. Oh, I do suck at this game. We just missed every salvo. Oh my gosh, I hit one. I hit one! Actually, is that like a Ricochet or Splinters got him? Oh man. That's not good, guys. That is not good. We're just gonna... Ooh, hello. We're gonna go for this guy. Oh, there's a lot of boys over here. Whole lot of boys. Alright. Gotta blow that sub out of the water. Oh, there we go. There we go. Pour it on them, boys. Don't really want to shoot at you. Right when I get done. Where's he going? Probably forwards if I had to guess. Oh, backwards. Okay. Oh no, he's going forwards. He should be dead. Gotta do good damage on this here right now while they're not looking at me. And we're not, unfortunately. I do know there's like a destroyer and a sub over here though, so I'm a little cautious to move that way. I'm switching to HE, I'm gonna try to kill this destroyer. Actually, I don't even see the destroyer. Can my shit go all the way out there? No, it can't. Where's that destroyer at though? I was told there was... Where's the destroyer? Alright, whatever. Alright, we're just gonna go. We can't have these shots on this EA right now. It's a really, really bad wasted opportunity to do some good damage. I'm just gonna try to find this destroyer now. Did he like really run away back here? Like really run away? Only averaging 2k damage a shell, that's not very good. Where is that destroyer though? Still got a U-boat over there. was a dumb salvo. Should have saved it for the BB. Yep, that was fucking stupid. Okay, honestly, if he keeps moving over here, could maybe reach him at the right time. God, what a shit salvo. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, did I hit the U-boat? Wait, did I just accidentally... I just accidentally destroyed the destroyer? That's so funny. Wait, how did I... Oh, my secondaries? I'm so confused what just happened. How did I destroy that? Is that my secondaries? No, that's my teammate, no? Did I just miss so bad I hit the destroyer that just happened to be like around it?
The ship is on fire.
There we go. Scheiße! Enemy submarine! Countermeasures! There we go. Punish him. Where is he? Wo ist? This guy wants me to kill him? Why? I don't know how to talk to him. Sorry, buddy. I wish I could have killed you. Wait, is the submarine dead? Come on. Oh no. Whew. Lucky, lucky boy. Ah, turn! Imagine being on the ship just seeing these shells fly at you. It's gotta be fun. There we are. Good kill, boys. Good kill. I'm so sorry to do this to you, Arizona. I truly am. Where is the rest of their team though? A little sus. I don't see anybody. Oh no. That's gonna do some damage. Gets up to full speed. Come on. God, dude, my shells are doing nothing to her.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
It's a risky maneuver.
Torpedoes to starboard.
Oh, I'm dead. They got me. That's exactly what I expected.
Hull below the waterline.
Oh, I'm so stupid. I'm so stupid. I just lost us the game. I'm so stupid. I suck at this game! I'm so stupid. Oh my gosh, why did I not pay attention to where the destroyer was when it said it was spotted? I knew he fucking did that. Gosh darn it. Ah! Alright, well, thanks for watching. That's improvement from the last one. That's all we can ask for, you know? Love each and every one of you. Have a wonderful night. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching, by the way.